If you come across this video, you're probably wondering why choose WeTint. Here at WeTint, we just don't tint windows. We're a full customization and restyling shop, from our industry-leading ceramic window films to our exclusive vinyl graphics and PPF options. We stand behind all our flagship products with a lifetime warranty. Here at WeTint, we stand behind every car that drives out of our shop. With our lifetime guarantee, our friendly, knowledgeable staff, we aim to exceed every customer's expectation when they walk through our doors. With that being said, let's go ahead and go through the WeTint process. First, you'll select the windows that you want to get tinted. Then you'll go through our packages that suit your needs and also your budget. Please don't forget to check out our high heat nano ceramic technology and our no fault warranty. And don't forget to add in your sunroof or your windshield. With our express roll down option, it allows you to roll down your windows right after installation. Once you select your package, go to our online scheduler to find the appointment time that is convenient to you. Just like that, you booked your appointment. You can either drop it off with us or you can wait in our waiting room. Make sure you take advantage of our customer service lounge with free coffee, lattes, and plenty of snacks. We also carry 4 different shades, 50%, 35, 20, and 5. When it comes to the legal tint law, your WeTint specialist will help verify your state law before any installation. So go ahead, complete your purchase, and sit back and enjoy your new windows. If you need any help, please do not hesitate to give us a call.